Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a mini haul for the month of March, and this is my March mini haul. I was recording and my camera cut off, so I don't know where I stopped or started, but I'll just go through what I have here. I purchased the Sunny Raleigh Martian Mattifying Melting Water Toner. It is a toner that melts into the skin as a water gel. It clarifies the skin. It is good for pores. Those of us that have the pores or different texture on the face, this helps with that. It also is for oily skin and for acne prone skin. I'm not oily skin, I'm normal skin, but sometimes I have some texture in this area and some pores, and so this is going to help to minimize the pores. I have used this product before. This is my second purchase. It is very good, but the downside today is if you are not going to use this consistently, there is no need of buying it, because the product in here after a while, I think after 1 year, starts to smell funny, and if you use it on your skin, it's going to cause breakouts. I learned the hard way. It happened to me. And then the gold thing around here also peels off. It looks very nasty, and so that's one of the problems that I have with this. So the product comes in this, of course, you're looking at the packaging. It has a pump where you pump out the product. After cleansing your skin, you go ahead and then apply it. You can use your fingertip, or if you want to use a cotton pad to apply it to your skin, you can use that. The water gel helps to massage your skin. It is used as a toner, like I said, and it helps to clarify the skin. It has an instant cooling effect that you experience as it melts in the skin. So what this product claims is that it does visibly minimize your pores, and I agree with that because I've used it before. It also has Macuna, which is a stronger relative tea tree oil that is used in products. It is used in conjunction with black cumin for the skin, and it has magnolia bark extract, which is good for problem skin and to balance out the skin. For those that have oily skin, it helps to reduce shine. So this box is Nitraab spring box. Well, the box costs $25, but it has more than $25 worth of product in there. I think it has $80 worth of product in there. I'm not too sure. I'll leave the details down below, but I'm not certain that you can get this box again because it has been a while, I should say, last month sometime. So it came with this Soap and Glory smoothie. This Soap and Glory smoothie is it is made of organic kapuaku bio scrubs and banana, almond, and honey extracts. It also does have oat, sugar, and shea. It smells like shea butter. It smells very, yeah, it smells like shea butter. I love the scent, and it does moisturize the skin. I know I've heard her way back in the days rave about this product, and I know she loved it from her heart. That's why she put it in this beauty box, as you say. Another thing that came in this beauty box is something probably for the hair. It said it is a sprayable powder. It's called Oasis Plus, and I believe it is for the hair. I'm not too sure. I have to look into that to see what it's used for. I don't see any directions on the back here, but I'm just going to do my research and see. And if you spray it, it sprays into powder. So maybe probably for the hair or something. I'm not too sure. The box also came with a coconut lip love from the brand Kapari. It's from Kapari Beauty. And you know your girl suffers from dry lips, so this will be something that I would really appreciate. It came, you know, handy. It also came with Becca First Light Primer. I think that's how these are called. Yeah, Becca First Light Priming Filter. If I'm not mistaken, this travel size is $18 or a little under. But yeah, she also included in this box a lippy. This is NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. It's kind of like a burgundy shade, number 20. And also in here, she did include a product from, it's an eye serum from Beauties. So she included this in here as well, just a sample size or travel size. She did, but it also came with Not Your Mama's African Marula Tree Oil Smoothing Cream. I used it in my hair today. It is very, very nourishing to the hair. Made my hair feel so soft. It gives it that moisture and, you know, like a long-lasting moisture in my hair. I noticed that when I used it, it dried, but when I touched my hair was still moisturized. And I'm somebody that suffers from really dry hair. When I comb my hair, it comes out breaking all over the place. I have natural hair. Oh yeah, guys. This is not my natural hair though. Yeah, this is a wig cap, baby. This is a wig cap. So, speaking of that, what I got also was some mannequin hair for my hair extensions. I got this mannequin hair off of Amazon. And so yeah, you check Letitia up. Shoot, she got her lips shiny, glossy, more than mine. Really, Letitia, do you have a date? Your date better come and pick you up because you're gonna stay on the show all day, girl. Please. So yeah, so that's it for the Nitraab beauty box. This is what she came up with, which was very nice of her. And I wanted to support that. So the next thing I got for purchases this month are these. I got 6 concealers from LA Pro. I have the shade Warm Honey. I have the shade, I did stock up on the shade Creamy Beige, which I always use. I got another of the Fawn, which I have. I also have Cool Tan. I also did get Mahogany, which is very, very dark for me, but maybe I'll use it for contour or something, or use it on a client. I have Deep Corrector. I have the Orange Deep Corrector, which is too orange for me. It's for more darker skin than mine, so I will stick with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour thing. Not a big deal. Last but not the least, I got this Inglot gel liner that I have heard and seen the best of the best use, but I did not get it. I always know that when I use my liner, it wasn't really dark enough. I wasn't happy with it, but I had to stick to it anyways. I also got these edge combs for the edges. It's called, it just comes for, you know, laying your edges. I've seen it go around here on YouTube, and so this is how it comes, like a toothbrush kind of thing, like a toothbrush thing to lay your edges. I didn't use it today because my edges are slayed right now. Just very natural. I don't want to mess with it. Yeah, and it also has a comb here too. So I've seen a lot of people use this. Precious Marie here on YouTube, I've seen her use it. I've also seen Diamond, I think her name is. Well, she changed her name to Diamond. Yeah, she used to use this as well. But yeah, it lays the edges very well. Well, I ain't gonna. This is what I have for you guys today. That's all I have for the month of March. I'm being very disciplined. I'm washing my coins carefully. I am not just gonna spend money because there are so many products on the market. It's crazy. If you are not, and I repeat, if you are not trained, if you don't respect yourself, if you don't respect your bank account, you will spend money that you don't need to spend. Because these shoes, these brands are all for our money, guys. They are all for our money. Like the products, the products are coming back to back. You know how the kids do. That's silly me. Anyway, the brands are all for our money, okay? So hey, spend your coins wisely. You don't need to waste money or anything. I have my eye on a few things, but I'm gonna save up before I buy it. I don't get no PR package. I don't get paid for my videos, and so I don't have money to waste. That's what I'm gonna say. That's what I'm gonna leave you with. If you're spending your coins, spend it wisely. I have my eyes on some palettes. There's this P. Louise base and shadow palette. If I get that palette, guys, it's like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I've been seeing it on Instagram. I don't know why I didn't get the palette. I'll probably be getting that soon. But yes, guys, I don't have much to say. I just wanted to come on camera and chat with you guys a little bit. Like I said, if you are interested in seeing how this look was created, please hit the link down below. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, YouTube. Follow you. Makeup makes art. You'll see it. Be your own moves. We dare you. And I created a look with this palette. So it has 39 shadows in here. And it comes in this carbon thing. And on the back here it says Dare to Create. And these are the 39 shades. I could definitely use some of these shades as my blush shade, honestly. So the shadows here I really love. I created a look as well. I'm gonna put that right here. And the orange shade in here, guys. Whew. See how pigmented that is? That is not any joke. It's, the shadows are highly pigmented in here. And mind you, I've used it a couple of times, but look, there isn't a lot of, there isn't any kickback, I would say.